I haven't driven this car in like 3 weeks. It feels so weird. I'm driving, the PSI is pretty low right now, but look at this one. This one has been decreasing in PSI. I've been so infatuated with the Supra that I forgot how good it feels to drive the Lexus. Like, oh man, I miss this car. Even just the way it sounds. Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Today's the day we're finally gonna fix my rear bags. I have not driven this car in so long. It feels so good. And we're over here at the warehouse. Look who pulled up. Oh my God. You guys have not seen Mark in the vlogs.
How's it going?
What is this?
The new ride, bro.
When did you pick this up?
Yesterday. Oh. So it's still brand new to me. I don't even know buttons, what does what. So I still gotta read the manual, bro, because I was gonna have one of the salesmen like go over it with me, but I didn't want to waste time there at the
Yeah, you were far away, huh?
Yeah.
Look at you, can't stop smiling.
Bro, I'm just cruising. I'm not even trying to race or nothing, but my heart's racing every time I'm just driving, dude. I love it.
Oh my God, look at this. Look at this sick wrap. No, I'm just kidding.
Dude, imagine, that'd be sick.
Hey, you're a Beamer boy now. Are you gonna leave me and hang out with the Armenians?
Nah, bro. I am part Armenian now, though. You're the first person, bro.
No way.
Yeah, I swear, you're the first person, like a friend.
You showed your girlfriend.
Well, nah, well, she was with me, but no, even like my parents, so I showed them. But you're like my first friend, bro, to see the car in person.
Does that mean I'm the second?
You're the second, bro.
Hey, let's go. Congratulations, brother.
Thanks,
Dude,
man.
so clean.
Oh, we missed again. Sick.
Damn, sick beard.
God damn.
Dude.
What year is this?
2018, bro.
Oh my God, your car is like.
That's the last.
It's
It's
too
the
new.
last year of it, so.
It's too new.
Is this the color you originally wanted?
Nah, bro. I was just trying to get one. Like, to be honest.
Can I sit in
Do
it?
the same. Go for it.
Definitely not.
Damn.
Honestly, I probably
Damn.
literally only
Guys, how do I look in the Beamer? Think it looks good on me? Dude, I'm hyped for you.
What?
I'm hyped for you, man. Dude, that's freaking all motor.
Honestly, bro, like I know like the noise, like the fart noise that they're like known for, but let me tell you, when you're inside and you hear the engine and like the turbo, oh, you don't even hear outside. Like everyone hears your exhaust, right? But when you're in the car, it sounds fucking beautiful, dude.
Yeah. Well, man, congratulations on your Supra.
proud.
So we have everything here. We got some Airlift rear bags and the mounting brackets. We're gonna put these in. So this quality already looks better, like in terms of this rubber. It just looks so much better. So I feel like it'll last longer. People tell me they go 2-3 years with Airlift, so let's do it. We're gonna go grab some food first and then we're gonna start. And guys, don't forget to check out All Aspects channel. They're gonna be doing giveaways for every single vlog, and there's gonna be a giveaway for this vlog as well. We're giving away this shirt that I'm wearing right here. So all you have to do is just comment what you've been doing this quarantine. It could be anything. I just want you guys to comment and let me know what you've been doing, because I want a little more insight on your guys' lives as well. This new shirt, one of you guys will win it. We're gonna take a little ride in this beast. I already know this car is gonna be fast as shit, but let's see how fast it is.
Should I go manual mode?
Hell yeah.
All right, let's see it. Ready? First pulls, Mark's doing M3.
Oh my God.
Dude,
Oh my God.
you're right. It does sound sick in the fucking...
In the car, bro, it
Oh.
sounds so different,
Yes.
dude.
Mark's car is
Block
freaking
section.
amazing.
Oh man.
The brakes are fire too. Oh shit! Yeah, you're trying to get a ticket already?
First pulls in Mark's M3, first speeding ticket. Psych! Oh my God.
Bro,
Hear that,
he didn't even let the cop fully leave and he just already gunned it.
We
It's because
out.
you know you can get away, huh?
We out, bro. Do you guys feel it though? Just
Hell
like,
yeah.
Get to see?
Fuck, I'm scared. Dude, hold on to this. Oh my god, it sends me into my seat.
Jeez.
Dude. Hey, yo, good shit.
Seriously.
Hello? Alright guys, we're finally gonna get started. You ready?
What are we doing?
Swapping out my rear bag.
Oh shit, that's what we came here for, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought we were just hanging out. Already putting us to work.
This is my first time seeing
Oh!
I like it. I like it.
Damn!
Okay, player. Okay, player.
Freaking marble.
Okay.
Like a fucking bathroom up in this
For
bitch.
real. I'm about to get out of the shower.
This shit is clean, bro.
Thank you.
It is clean.
You could eat off this thing.
I know, right? I wanted to go with this setup just for right now because I don't want to repaint anything, and the chrome polish looks good with this
I think so, yeah.
tile, yeah.
It works.
Hey, don't hit my car. Look who decided to show up. What up, Josh?
I was forced to. Dude.
Hello?
Who forced you?
Alright guys, if you're not familiar with the Lexus suspension, it's a bag and a strut, separate. And what you're gonna have to do is just drop this lower control arm, and then we can access the bag, drop everything. Let's see if we can see that blister. You see it?
Holy shit. It's growing a twin, bro. It's fucking growing another
That's
head.
disgusting. It looks like an ass. I'll eat
Ass-
it.
It's an ass wart,
What the
bro.
fuck? I'll fucking eat it. Alright guys, so we are about to put on the bag. Mark got that one off. Thank you,
Nice.
Mark. So these are the Airlift bags. I believe it goes this on top, like that. This is gonna go above it. It's a little hockey puck. And then we put one of these on. Then the bag, and then this. Doesn't sound like fun, but we got this, and airline is gonna go through here. So I haven't been updating you because we've been at work for 2 hours. We're probably gonna have to call it quits on this because Airlift did send me 2 of the wrong parts. I knew that going into this, and I went to Home Depot and I bought those correct parts. Let me show you guys. So they're supposed to send me an elbow fitting that goes in here for the airline, and they sent me this. This is not an elbow fitting. It's supposed to look like this, and I went to Home Depot and I bought this. We tested it out. We got the bag on there, but when it was time to torque everything down and try to put in an airline, there's not enough clearance. So there's not enough clearance there for us to put in the nut to tighten the airline. So we're gonna reverse this process. Thank God we only did 1 bag. Thank you again, Mark, for powering through this with me.
Help me.
They're sending the parts Monday, which is tomorrow. I won't be able to get it until maybe this Friday or Thursday. I'm thinking of taking it to a shop just to get it over with because it's only installing 2 rear bags, no struts, nothing crazy. It shouldn't be too expensive. Mark wants to try it again, but I don't want to put him through this torture because this thing is like a very tight squeeze. So I'd rather have a shop do it, to be honest.
It's because it's Sunday, that's all.
So it's honestly Airlift's
Fucking
fault.
Airlift. I'm upset. $50,000.
We're gonna call it a day. Hopefully I can make it back home, and that's pretty much it. Thanks again, boys. We'll try again next time. Alright guys, it has been 2 weeks since the car's been out of commission. It finally got fixed. I am so happy it got in alignment this morning. Everything is running proper. Right now we are getting my wheel fixed by Drew, and let's go check it out. So this is the damage right here. It's not that bad. Drew came last week and fixed some damage over here. Paint matched it perfectly, and unfortunately he has to come back. Dude, thank you again for coming on such short notice.
No problem, man.
Bro.
It helps out, right? It's so sad that it happened again, but as long as we can get it looking good again, it should be straight.
On the bright side, it's in good hands.
There we go.
While Drew is working on my wheel, I'm gonna explain to you guys why we have to fix it. I lost my lug key when we were working on the bags. We had to hammer a socket into the lug, and we accidentally hammered the wheel. It left a huge chip. I'll show you guys a picture right here. And then Drew fixed it. He fixed it literally last week, and this is how it looked. It was freaking perfect. He paint matched it first try like nothing. I left the wheel to cure for a week because we weren't gonna install the bags until yesterday, and my grandpa accidentally threw the impact wrench onto my wheel and it just chipped it in another spot. So that's why he's fixing it. Shit happens. It's not that big of a deal. I'm just so blessed that I have Drew. So if any of you guys want to get your wheels repaired by Drew, hit him up. I'll put his IG right here, and he's mobile, so he'll go to you. Bro, you killed it. I don't even remember where it was at. God damn. Can you guys even tell where he fixed it? If you guys couldn't figure it out, it's this one right here. There's a few other nicks on it, and he got around to fixing those two. So me and Drew agreed that when car show season starts, he's gonna come back and he's gonna fix all of the lips. You got him?
We'll get him like looking clean again.
Hell yeah. So it'll be like probably the beginning of next year. I'm hoping like all the shows aren't canceled, you know? I'll bring his business cards, everything. Drew absolutely killed it. He always fixes my wheels so well. And if you guys need your wheels done, he's mobile. He will drive to you. If you're in the LA area, it makes it easier for him. He even taped it up for me so I could wash my car right now. So let's go ahead and give this car a wash. I haven't washed it since it got messed up like a month ago. It's so dirty. I miss my Supra. I'm gonna wash it real quick. I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Oh, and guys, today's video is sponsored by The Last Coat. They sent me the black ice. You guys have seen this in one of my previous videos. If you haven't, this is pretty much like a ceramic coat, protective layer over your paint, and it is hydrophobic. Check this out. I've already applied it to the hood. Freaking awesome. If you guys want to cop black ice and try it on your car, link is in the description below. Huge thank you once again to The Last Coat for sponsoring this video. I always love when they send me their products because they are always innovative and coming out with something new. I'm just glad I have some more black ice. Let's get back to the video. So I made it to a parking lot, cleaned up the car, she looks great. This is the ride height. It does kind of suck because I have to run 10 more PSI in the rear because the airbag for Airlift is a little bit smaller. I was running 125 PSI in the rear for Air Force. Now I'm running 135 in the rear for Airlift, which is fine. I like it a little bit stiffer. It rides so smooth. I love it. The main reason why we had to switch bags was obviously because one of them was about to pop. It was a defect. I wanted to get it fixed. I'm glad I figured it out before it popped, and it came out great. She looks so good. I haven't washed her in so long, and it feels so good to finally have a car again. I forgot how nice my car was. The reason why I didn't film the install was because I had someone helping me. I was paying them, and they did opt out of filming. They didn't want to be in the video, which is perfectly fine. I respect everyone's wishes, and you know, a lot of people aren't comfortable in front of the camera. If you're watching, thank you again. You killed it. I could start doing more content on the Lexus again. The Supra, I'm gonna try my best to grind at my job and just save money, set it aside just for the Supra. But I'm honestly really stoked to be able to start modding the Lexus again. Damn. So everything is still good. The only downside is Airlift doesn't air up that high in the rear. It really doesn't compared to Air Force, but Airlift is a way better quality bag, so I'm pretty hyped on it. Shout out to Drew once again for fixing my wheel. Look at that. You guys can't even tell. Look, that's insane. And guys, don't forget, still doing the giveaway for this shirt. Thank you to All Aspects. Huge shout out to them. All you have to do is just comment down below. What have you been doing during this quarantine? Have you been working on your car? Have you been staying inside, not doing anything? Have you been playing games like me? I've been hitting up Warzone. I finally got my first dub. Not my first dub, but I finally got my first dub where I got the last 2 kills and I got us the victory. Let me know what you've been doing. All you have to do is just comment that down below and you'll be entered to win. I will be picking the giveaway winner in the next video. The next video will be about the Supra. Can't wait to show you guys. Oh, look who showed up. What's up, Adam? How are you? Good. How do you like the Civic?
It's good, man. Literally just got it insured yesterday.
So it's legal to drive now?
It's good to drive now. Everything's good. Hey, what's that?
Low life.
Oh!
Oh, low life. Tokyo Drift. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Bro, the underglow? Bringing it back 2020. Does it change color? Oh, shit.
Ooh, I like the turquoise.
Bro, Arnold with the show modes, I swear. Hey, are we going to car shows next year or what? So Adam's gonna let me drive his car. The clutch is already burned. I'm gonna burn it more.
That's how you start the car.
I already wrote my car.
What happened?
Clearly, I don't know how to turn on a manual car. You ready for this, bro?
You're gonna put your seatbelt on after you take the e-brake off.
You're nervous. He's nervous. I can tell. He's nervous.
What is it called? Squashing the grapes. Squashing the grapes.
Just pull it out. Yeah.
Nah,
Clutching. And you'll feel it. It'll start tugging. Just do it slow.
Holy guy!
I literally thought he was gonna go into one of those beams.
Hey!
Arnold, make it stop.
We thought you were gonna run into the poles.
I don't want to go in a second because I'm scared.
You'll be fine.
guys, I still don't really know how to drive stick. That was kind of fun.
Slowly let go of the clutch and you're gonna feel it start gulping gas. So when you see that, when you feel that, you slowly,
Hey, scrape?
No, because he didn't let go of the clutch on time, that's why.
Oh, okay. Damn. We're gonna call it a night. Got some boba. Drove Adam's car for a tiny bit. And now I'm gonna get some rolling shots of Arnold's car with the underglow. I'm kind of considering doing it, so we'll see how his looks rolling. Oh! Arnold, air out. That shit never gets old. Guys, I just made it back home. I didn't want to make this video to downplay bags because bags are honestly one of the coolest things I've ever owned, but I want to let you guys know there's just a lot of maintenance. Compressors go out, which mine might be on the verge of going out. If a bag pops or is a defect like mine, you have to replace it. If a shock goes out, you have to replace it. If an airline gets pinched or destroyed somehow, you have to replace it. It's just little things. You have to check the air pressures for leaks. I knew a lot of this stuff going in, but I did not think it would be as stressful as it is. For the Supra, I wanted to bag it, but I think I might end up doing coils in the future. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It wasn't anything too crazy, but I promise the next one will be Supra content. And I'm gonna keep doing stuff to the Lexus as well. I have 2 parts in the garage that I'm meaning to install, so we're gonna try to install those too. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. More videos will be on the way. I have a good amount of content planned. I just haven't gotten around to doing it. I promise I will. Year's about to be over. I want to end it really well. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later. I really miss this car. So glad to have her back.